Hmm.
As a publisher, how challenging it is to monetize?
To do basic monetization, it's super easy, but to do monetization really well, it's really challenging, I would say, because there are just so many technicalities and black box behavior in the whole AdOps ecosystem that it's difficult to know what to do, what not to do.
Hmm.
And as a publisher, most of the publishers are focused on their content, right? To really take out time and understand ad operations, it's a Herculean task. Initially, everybody starts with AdSense, and we did as well.
Hmm.
Right now we have our own GAM 360. We do AdX, we do open bidding, we do header bidding. Header bidding is done through a partner of ours. We are partnered with AdPushup. They are the
Hmm.
best ad ops company in India, in my opinion. And we have a good relation with them. They help us monetize on header bidding. But overall, to understand this, even somebody who's like, I come from an engineering background, we have handled the whole engineering team, but it took me a while to understand ad ops. So I would say it's really challenging, but it's worth understanding because the impact on the top line that you can create because of the right ad ops, it's in a magnitude of 2 to 3x, which is really critical in a world of CPMs, which are low margin businesses overall.